Hello guys, today we're gonna review Soulmate Sketch. Soulmate Sketch reviews will help you to decide whether to OPT for Soulmate Sketch or not. What is Soulmate Sketch? In a period where nothing is sure, there are countless individuals who need to know where their affection life is going. Particularly with all of the dating sites and tips on gathering another person. Probably the hardest pressure to continually take on is the interest of what the future will hold. The digital age of dating has arrived. Master Wang, a Chinese artist, claims to have helped thousands find their soulmates through his ability to create up to date sketches that resemble potential partners. Master Wang's service could help people find their soulmates. His realistic drawings physical details of the person aiming to reflect who they will marry. Their soulmate's eyes stare back at, back at them from the page. Master Wang of Soulmate Sketch works quickly. Master Wang of Soulmate Sketch works quickly and finishes their drawing in just 24 hours, making it a reasonable waiting time since folks can look for someone our whole lives. His physics artistry is based on astrology, which gives him all the needs to capture their image perfectly on paper with lifelike detail that will leave people wondering if they feel familiar somehow, while might have the option to allude to when a singular's life might change. Another assistant, soulmate sketch and reading permits a craftsman to show buyers precisely the thing they bought to search for. The craftsman's cation shoppers that they could encounter unbelievably compelling feelings when they see the image for themselves. The image is not difficult to print off for people who maintain that a printed people who maintain that a printed copy of the image should keep with them. Be that as it may, be that is be that as it may, as clients before long learn, the sketch is just important for what they will get. Benefits of Soulmate Sketch. The the craftsman will make a picture of the perfect partner who will be the individual one will meet from here on out. Things that things that depict an individual and are noticeable or allude to us actual appearance to us and are noticeable or allude to us actual appearance, strolling style, discouragement, body structure, size, hair tone, and skin tone are a few instances of depictions. All of this will be caught by the Soulmate Sketch. Soulmate Sketch is a service that allows people to find their soulmates. Its website claims it has excellent 5-star custom rating, which means Soulmate Sketch works for others and can work for the reader too. Even better, if Soulmate Sketch does not meet its promises after 2 months of purchase, customer will get their money back and 100% satisfaction guarantee on his website. He claims he can connect with the infinite powers of the universe all in trances. So it's clear that people can expect some pretty exciting result when ordering. They have money back guarantee. If you want a refund on their soulmate, they can get one. The artist matches people based on their astrological compatibility and sends the messages through the website services for just $5 per month with no contract required. A lot of users have reported that they met their significant others after using this service. Thank you so much for watching Soulmate Sketch review. I really hope it did help you with your buying decision. The system is coming out with many bonuses for the yearly bird. Take your action ASAP for the best deal. In order to buy this product, click the link in my description and buy the product. Send me a screenshot through Instagram and I will give you bonuses too. Thank you.